Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Down the Garage Out. And we're continuing our theme of 1950s, and we're up to. Actually, we've got the 57 book there a minute, John. I know we said we'd. I know the R number was the same, but I think. Just go to the Transcontinental Oobly Dooblies. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we've got to mention, obviously we know the set number is the same as 56, 55, 55, 55, 56 and up to 57, weren't they?
Yeah.
But the introduction of 57, I think this was the year before, wasn't it? 56. That was 56, but the switcher was first produced, diesel switcher R115. We're not sure what our age one is. I think our one's slightly later. I'll just bring it forward. Yeah? Hang on.
You can turn the point.
Yeah,
over.
I know. So there's our one. It's got the early coupling, but that's our one. I think ours is the later one, isn't it? But yeah, that was when that was first produced in the 57 book. So we just thought I'd share that piece of information with you. There you go, you can put that back now. Right, let's switch that back off. So it's got a bit confusing. Well, no, it hasn't got to be confusing. It's just that we make it confusing. You can see the little pin badge was available. I think we've got a couple of them in these boxes, haven't we?
RA, RB, R3B, R3A's got one. I know that.
Yeah. So we've only got 3 sets. There you go. Here's the pin. Got the sticker, the controller, and this is R3E. Obviously Series 3 track by now. So yeah, the sets we've got on this evening are, well, we've got them all on. Didn't think there was any point in messing around. We've just gone. We haven't got, the only Transcontinental we've got on is the switcher. But we've got everything else on, I think. Well, apart from the
Diesels.
R3F and R3M. We haven't got those on at the moment. We're going to do them later. So we've got R3A on from 1958, which is there. And then behind it, we've got
R3B, but that one.
R3B, but that's from 1959. And that's when they changed the couplings from the, what we call the earlier ones, to the later ones. What else? Oh yeah, so we've got R3E and R3B, and that's R3B, that's the early one.
That's R3E.
Oh, sorry, R3E and R3B, isn't it? That's the late
D. That's D, that one.
D.
They're both D's, but that one's the early one because it's
Yeah, it's got,
the
yeah.
early couplings and it's facing the
Well, we've got it facing
that
way as it is in the picture.
And then
So 59 we've got, that's R3E. Yeah.
The green cable drums.
Yeah, and
R3D.
yeah, which is
The right way. The right way for the
same
set.
as it, yeah, same as in the book. And then
That's it.
the only other little one we've got on is the primary set. We do have a couple of the primary sets. We've got to make boxes for them at some point. I keep saying we're going to make boxes. So we've got that one, which is in there, in the box. We've got one box for, but we're using the wagons for it at the moment because we haven't got any other wagons for this little loco. And we don't have any of the green coaches either. So, but we do have that one. We got, which is there, which is obviously clockwork, and obviously the one in the
There's clockwork.
yeah, that one's. Yeah, that one's clockwork. So what we've done, we've borrowed the wagons for that at the moment,
So we don't lose
and we
it.
got the destruction sheet for that one. Yeah, 6/10/1958. So it's October. So there you go. Right. So what we're going to start with? Well, where would you want to? Where do you want to start?
We can start by getting them at the station. One of them. Get R3A at the station.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll do the other one because I've got the point set.
Alright.
Hang on, I've got to do the other point. Okay.
Start with them or
Yeah.
just do second line.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, I've added the tank on. So. that in there. Oh. Hello?
Yeah.
Right, so if we if we put that back in the station,
Yeah.
yeah?
I'm going to bring that out onto here.
Yeah, because then we, or one of them anyway. Maybe this one.
Right there.
Better be quick. I think this is loud.
Give it a match.
Hello. Right, so we've had a little bit of a change around, everybody. Do you want to see if that goes the other way? Yeah. Because it looks silly. So there you go, we've had a bit of a change around. That should be pushing that up there. So what we can do now, we can now get this little one, this goods train going, yeah? So we can take it through there. Obviously we're holding that one in there. So I don't know whether we can, but we should be able to hold that one in there. If we turn that over, then we should be able to move that one. There you go. It's locked up, John. Yeah. Go and reverse. I don't know why it's locked up. Oh. We're going to be boom boom then. Right, stop that in there. So there you go. So we can do switchy swapsies. Right, so let's get Yeah. Now we've got to turn that one over, haven't we? That's cool, that is. Yep. There you go.
Put this one in the station, yeah.
That's it. So if we switch that off and that one off, yeah. If you turn that point back, we can swap these back over again then, can't we?
Yes.
In theory. No.
Okay. Give it a nudge.
If you can stop that in there, then I can turn these points. Yeah? In there. Pop it in there. I know you might have to put it back in there.
Back on
That's it.
the third line.
What?
That other ginty back on the third. Oh, it was already on the third line.
No, leave it there. It's alright. And get the switcher out.
Yeah? No.
Hang on, I've got 10.
Oh yeah.
Might have to bring it out to your first line. Put it back on there. So, there you go. Turn that off. It's 1958 and 1959. We will have a look, see what we've got transcontinental wise. I don't think we've got a lot. I think we got, is it R3V, whatever it is.
R3VX.
Yeah. Is that 59, is it?
I believe so. That's R3V. It might be on the next page, I'm not too sure. R3,
Yeah, R3VX.
Yeah.
So that's that one. So we do have that one. And that's 59 then. 58.
Yeah.
Not sure if we got, oh, I think we have got them. That's them ones, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, so there you go. So we will be doing some transcontinental next time round. I don't know.
That.
I don't think we
And
can
that.
do. We can't do. I know we got a couple of red ones, didn't we? I don't know whether we got enough. Because this will be the late cut. The what's it couplings, won't it?
Yeah.
But anyway,
Do that.
we'll have a look. So that's what we're going to be doing next. We'll have a look, see what we've got, and then we're set up for some transcontinental from these years. So we've always shown you the switcher running, but we might see if we've got some wagons, and we'll give it some wagons.
We have got them.
I know we've got some of them, yeah. I don't know about the green one.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we do. See, he knows. Right, so there you go. So it's another long video. Hope you enjoy it. So bye for now, everyone.